It's long, but it's worth it.
Think that they had the rules again because I might have forgotten them. Shut up, take your dog, take the trash, don't smoke, don't draw, don't pick flowers, don't cycle, don't swim. Beer isn't banned, so that's good, I guess.
Ei hitto. Amazing. My favorite.
Se oli kännikaveri siellä, että no ei ole minä tykkimies, ja no niin joukit riittää, pums, ovi kiinni. Me tultiin ysin takas yksikköön aina.